Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're following fresh strawberries all the way from the field to finished jam, and I'm going to show you every major step in that journey.
Strawberries are among the most delicate crops in commercial agriculture. Timing matters, temperature matters, and every hour in the field affects the final flavor, color, and texture of the jam.
The irrigation's off, row crews can move in.
Color's good on this block.
Let's send pickers to section 3.
Harvest begins by hand because no machine can yet match the judgment of experienced field workers when fruit must be selected at peak ripeness without damage.
Only the full reds. Leave the lighter ones for tomorrow.
This row's heavy.
This row's heavy. Bring another crate down here. Bring another crate down here.
Please. At peak season, crews work quickly but carefully. The goal is simple. Move ripe fruit out of the field fast enough to protect fresh.
Keep the soft ones separate. Those are going for immediate processing. Lot 4 is full. Move this one to shade.
Before the fruit leaves the farm, every container is tracked. Time picked, field block, temperature, and weight are all recorded to protect quality and ensure full traceability.
Hold up, give this side more room. That stack's good.
See, this step is more important than most people realize. Once strawberries are picked, the clock starts immediately, so crews move them into
Pre-cooling is critical. By pulling heat out of the fruit quickly, producers slow spoilage, preserve texture, and protect the natural flavor that will define the final jam.
Back it in easy. Cold truck's ready.
Lock that pallet. Good, we're tight on the left side.
There it goes. Next load's ready in 20.
Bring that last one forward. Watch the corner, keep it square.
Dispatch is clear. Both loads are out.
Inbound strawberry loads, lane 2, proceed to receiving.
Driver, hold position for gross weight confirmation.
Paperwork matches the manifest. Send this load to Dock 3.
Before unloading starts, the receiving team confirms temperature, appearance, and transport integrity. If the fruit fails here, it never reaches the production floor.
Bring those first 2 pallets straight to intake wash.
The first wash removes field dust, loose debris, and surface contamination, while keeping the berries moving gently enough to avoid bruising before sorting.
This is where the factory takes control of consistency. The berries are washed, moved into a sanitized system, and prepared for the soft one out. Keep the line moving, quality looks good.
By the end of this stage, the fruit is cleaner, more uniform, and ready for the equipment that will begin reducing whole berries into a controlled processing stream.
Set the rate steady, we're ready for prep.
Caps are clearing clean. Send the product onward.
This is the beginning of transformation. Whole berries give way to controlled pulp, creating a uniform base. Inside these tanks, the crushed berries are stabilized and blended into a uniform mash, creating the consistent base needed for controlled.
Temperatures climbing clean. Keep the batch moving.
Cooking is where flavor concentrates, moisture reduces, and the signature body of strawberry jam begins to form under carefully controlled heat and timing.
Send batch 6 into refining. Flow looks steady.
Refining evens out the texture, balancing smooth spreadability with visible fruit character so the final jam feels consistent without losing its natural identity.
color's on target, taking this one for solids check.
By this point, the jam's solids, texture, and concentration are being tuned to the exact standards that define shelf stability, spreadability, and flavor intensity.
Take this to lab. We're checking the final solids.
Viscosities in range. Mark this batch approved.
Release control is the final checkpoint between testing and production. Once approval is issued, the jam can move from verified batch to packaged consumer product.
Product transfer looks clean. Line 1 is ready.
After harvesting, washing, sorting, cooking, refining, and testing, the finished jam is finally ready to enter the... Hold the index. Spacing is perfect now.
Weights are holding steady. Keep the line at current speed.
Cap lane's full, send the next stack up.
Once the lids are applied, the jars are sealed under carefully controlled conditions, so the product remains safe, shelf-stable, and ready for long-distance distribution.
Alignment looks sharp, keep this reel running. Case formers on rhythm, send the next group through.
Pack counts right. Keep lane 2 feeding.
Case sealing and shipping marks may look simple, but they're essential for inventory control, lot tracking, and moving finished product reliably through the distribution network.
Pattern looks solid. Start the next layer.
Wrap complete. Send that one to finished goods.
From here, finished inventory is staged, tracked, and moved through the warehouse system so every pallet can be dispatched quickly, accurately, and with full traceability. Load this trailer by lot sequence. Keep the destination pallets together. What began as delicate fruit in a field has now become a finished product. Measured, cooked, tested, packed, and delivered